Good afternoon, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor, February 14th. Happy Valentine's Day to everybody out there. But the grains, a little different look. They were down again today. 10 days in a row for corn. Down 0.75 cents, so a slight loss today. Beans down 5 with wheat dropping 3.5. Now that's after good export sales for wheat. But as we talked about before, the wheat market's a little different. Wheat can't carry things on its own. You know, we've got tight stocks in corn. We've got tight stocks for beans. We don't have tight stocks for wheat. So wheat, if we see some bullish news out of wheat, it just can't carry on its by itself. We need to get the beans and corn to find a bounce as well. We did have some cancellations today as far as old crop beans. China came in, canceled 230,000 old crop, and that had beans in the defensive very quickly this morning. Just unable to climb out of the red here today. So we'll need to see about tomorrow. We do have a long weekend ahead of us. We are off on Monday. Two different camps. You've got the one camp right now saying that we're probably going to see some kind of a bounce tomorrow, short covering rally after a 10-day decline for corn. Probably going to see some guys coming out of some short positions ahead of a long weekend. Then you got the other camp saying, hey, we're right down near support. We're going to see these hedge funds continue to get out and try to finish things off yet. You know, we feel that we could hold the support down in here tomorrow, maybe get a little bit of a bounce, but we've got to see March corn get back above 704 to really change the picture and maybe turn things a little bit positive in the short term. Beans, we've got to get back above that 14.5 level again. Still quite a ways away from that. So watch these resistance levels tomorrow. We are near some support areas as well, so probably going to keep things extremely choppy. But stay in tune with us, and we'll let you know how things are looking. As far as some of the outside markets today, the dollar has been strong all day. We're putting together a second consecutive stronger week for the dollar, and it looks to be good if we can hold the strength tomorrow. Crude oil didn't really care that the dollar was higher. Crude's up another 40 cents, making its climb to that $100 a barrel mark once again. We're getting very close to it here at these levels, but just not able to pull back any or give us any kind of a break. It seems like it's been up and it's been straight up. So as far as livestock today, 45 cents higher as far as April cattle, 129.85. The big swing that we had seen mostly in feeders. Feeders down more than $1.50 early in the session, rallying back to $1.40 higher right now. Got to ask yourself, is this liquidation pressure finally over with? Is it lightening up? We've seen more than a $3 swing here today as far as feeders. Since January 28th, we've seen feeders down more than $10, and we've seen fat cattle breaking back more than $8. So have we finally turned the corner? We're going to need to see some consecutive closes higher, but more importantly, we've got to see some cash cattle trade higher as well to make this emotion kind of turn around. The charts still look ugly. Today's close was good, but we need to continue here tomorrow, maybe get another higher move as far as cattle. Hogs, a little different picture. Hogs down $1.22 today for April, continuing the slide that we've seen over the last several days. Very sloppy cash trade, continuing to break back. Cash is king right now for hogs, and it's working lower, so futures are doing the exact same. We may be in for about another week yet of this choppy sideways to lower before we can maybe see some of that attitude change. But watch that cash market. That's going to be leading futures here at this point. So sloppy trade is expected for maybe another week yet in hogs. But give us a call. You can reach us here at 800-262-7538 or check us out on the web, allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys had a great day today. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Take care.